Looking to upgrade your home entertainment system with the latest smart TV tech? Say hello to powerful performance, crystal clear visuals, and seamless connectivity. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Android 14 TV boxes that bring cinematic experiences right to your living room. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Rbox K8 Android 14 TV box. The Rbox K8 Android 14 TV box delivers a smart and immersive entertainment experience for the modern home. With its built-in Chromecast functionality, users can effortlessly stream videos and photos from their mobile phones or tablets directly to the TV screen, making content sharing seamless and more enjoyable. Designed to elevate visual entertainment, the Rbox K8 supports 4K HDR, offering ultra-bright colors, sharper contrast, and stunning detail. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming online content, every frame is brought to life with vivid clarity and depth for a captivating viewing experience. Connectivity is also a key highlight, with the Rbox K8 featuring 2.4G plus 5G dual Wi-Fi 6 support. This ensures faster speeds, lower latency, and a more stable and secure connection ideal for streaming high-resolution content and enjoying lag-free performance. It also offers a rich selection of ports and interfaces to accommodate various entertainment and expansion needs, from external storage to sound systems and peripherals. Adding to its user-friendly design, the device comes equipped with smart voice control. With just one click, you can speak your command and the TV responds, from launching your favorite apps to searching for content hands-free. With the Rbox K8 Android 14 TV box, your home entertainment setup becomes more intuitive, immersive, and enjoyable than ever before. Next up, at number 4, we have the Janmifly R69 Max Android 14 TV box. The Janmifly R69 Max Android 14 TV box is a feature-packed streaming device designed to deliver an upgraded home entertainment experience. Powered by the advanced Android 14.0 operating system and equipped with the powerful RK3528 chipset, this TV box combines a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU with a Mali 450 GPU for smooth performance across apps, videos, and games. Its 64-bit architecture ensures broader compatibility with high-performance applications, making the user interface both modern and responsive. Available in memory configurations ranging from 2 GB to 4 GB RAM and 16 GB to 64 GB ROM, with optional expansion up to 256 GB via TF card or USB drive, the R69 Max allows users to install and store a wide variety of apps and media without storage concerns. This flexibility ensures uninterrupted viewing and multitasking without lag or stutter. Connectivity is enhanced with support for Wi-Fi 6, offering faster and more stable internet access, and a 100M Ethernet port for those who prefer wired connections. Bluetooth 5.0 enables seamless pairing with wireless peripherals such as keyboards, mice, speakers, and file-sharing devices, adding to its convenience and smart functionality. The device also includes screen mirroring capabilities, making it easy to cast videos and photos from smartphones and tablets directly to the TV. With one USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0 port, users can simultaneously connect multiple devices, like a flash drive and a mouse, simplifying their media setup. Designed for ease of use, the R69 Max starts up automatically once powered and connects effortlessly via HDMI to modern televisions. A sleek exterior featuring a blue digital display keeps users informed of system status, time, and network connection. Supporting both 8K and HD resolution playback, this Android TV box brings crisp, ultra-clear visuals to high-end displays, creating an immersive viewing experience suitable for any modern living room. Taking the third spot is the Ilebygo H96 Max Android 14 TV box. The Ilebygo H96 Max Android 14 TV box redefines home entertainment with its immersive 4K capabilities and cutting-edge smart features. Designed to deliver cinematic visuals, this device transforms any screen into a high-definition media hub, bringing every detail to life with vibrant colors and stunning clarity. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, watching YouTube, or enjoying a blockbuster movie night, the 4K resolution ensures every frame is sharp and realistic. Powered by the latest Android 14.0 operating system, the H96 Max offers an intuitive user interface that feels smooth and modern. It supports voice search, allowing users to interact naturally with the device. Just speak your command and let the TV box do the rest. From searching for content to adjusting settings, voice control adds a new level of convenience to your smart home experience. Integrated support for Google Play games opens the door to a wide range of gaming options, making it easy to unwind or keep the family entertained. Built-in Chromecast functionality enables seamless casting from smartphones or tablets directly to the big screen, making content sharing quick and effortless. The H96 Max isn't just a streaming device, it's a central hub for all your digital needs. With access to countless apps, services, and media platforms, it ensures entertainment is always within reach. Its blend of performance, simplicity, and smart interaction makes it a compelling choice for households seeking both functionality and fun. Coming in at number 2 is the Szilbz X88 Pro Android 14 TV box. The Szilbz X88 Pro Android 14 TV box brings a new dimension to home entertainment, blending performance, intelligence, and portability in a compact form. Designed for users seeking a premium 4K viewing experience, it supports ultra-high-speed 4K HD 2.1, ensuring smooth output with refined color gradients that mimic natural tones. The visual depth and accuracy deliver a cinema-like experience from the comfort of your living room. What sets this device apart is its AI SR super resolution technology. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it enhances image and video clarity, elevating every frame to its highest potential. Whether watching movies or streaming games, the visuals remain crisp and immersive. At the heart of the device is the latest Android 14.0 system, bringing with it improved stability and responsive performance. Users can enjoy a seamless interface, faster load times, and access to a wide range of apps. With built-in Google Assistant, voice control is made intuitive. Searching for content, receiving personalized recommendations, or managing TV settings becomes as simple as speaking. The Szilbz X88 Pro is engineered using a 6nm process, a hallmark of cutting-edge semiconductor technology. This ensures higher computational power with reduced power consumption, making it more efficient and reliable during prolonged usage. Despite its powerful internals, the X88 Pro boasts a small and portable size, making it convenient for use in multiple settings, whether at home, on vacation, or even during business presentations. It offers a compelling blend of smart capabilities, high-definition output, and on-the-go usability, marking it as a forward-thinking solution for modern entertainment needs. And finally, our top pick, the Blkj T95 Max Android 14 TV box. The Blkj T95 Max Android 14 TV box brings a cutting-edge entertainment experience powered by next-generation technology and a modern interface. Designed to elevate home viewing, this TV box features Wi-Fi 6 support, offering faster speeds, lower latency, higher capacity, and a more secure wireless connection. Whether streaming content, gaming, or multitasking, it delivers a seamless online experience across a variety of platforms. With 8K video decoding capabilities, the T95 Max ensures ultra-high-definition visuals that bring every frame to life. The images appear more detailed and realistic, offering an immersive experience that's perfect for movie lovers and content enthusiasts alike. The Ultra HD 8K output also means you can enjoy the full impact of high-resolution visuals on a big screen, transforming your living room into a home theater. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, the T95 Max is built for stable and flexible connectivity, ensuring smooth performance regardless of the network environment. It also supports links to multiple Bluetooth devices, allowing effortless pairing with speakers, headsets, and other accessories for a more personalized and convenient user experience. The device runs on the latest Android 14 system, which showcases a refreshed and colorful user interface. Its rounded shapes and modern design enhance usability and visual appeal, providing a more engaging interaction with the device. Whether used for streaming, browsing, or connecting with other smart devices, the Blkj T95 Max is a capable and stylish centerpiece for any smart home entertainment setup.